Hi guys, so this is the lecture on BCNF, that is Boyce code normal form. So in the last lecture we have gone through several normal form, including first normal form, second normal form, third normal form. Okay, so BCNF is also one important normal form that we are going to discuss. Okay, so if you have not already gone through the previous normal form, then this may be not clear for you to, so I am giving the links in the description box below. Go through it. Okay, so let's start. So Boyce code normal form is one of the important normal form. Okay, what is the definition says that BCNF is a kind of advanced version of third normal form, and you have seen that in the third normal form what we actually intend to do. We try to remove the transitional dependencies, and the formula, the formula for suppose I am considering x implies y to be this functional dependency to be in third normal form. There are two conditions: either this is a super key, or means this is a key or super key, or this is the what? Prime attribute, means this may be a part of a super key. So if any of these conditions satisfies, then we can say that that is the third normal form. But here the condition is different. I have already mentioned that this is the advanced version of TNF, or I can say this is the stricter version of third normal form. Okay, so BCNF is a stricter version of third normal form. So first point is clear to you. Now what is the condition? A table is in BCNF if for every functional dependency x implies y, x is the super key of the table, just I have explained. So to make it more clear to you, I am again rubbing in and just writing that fact. Okay, you just note it down. Consider a functional dependency x implies y. Okay, suppose this is indicating the functional dependency of a relation R. Now, this will be in BCNF only if x, this part, means this part is a what? Is a super key. So now you got that why I am saying that BCNF is the stricter version, because I am not considering the other part. Means if it is a prime attribute, y is a prime attribute, we can't say that this is in BCNF. Okay, so x should be a super key. So this fact is clear to you. Now this point for BCNF, the table should be in 3NF, and every functional dependency left hand side is super key. And you have already seen that suppose if I am talking about the third normal form, the table should be already in 2NF. Similarly, if I am talking about the 2NF, the table should already be in first normal form. That is the condition. So here also the table should be already in third normal form, and along with that this condition is satisfied, then I can say that the table is now in BCNF. Okay, so that is clear to you. Now for making this part more understanding, I am again taking one example of a table. Say this is the faculty table. I am considering the faculty information table, and this information for an university. Okay, so here the attributes are faculty ID, faculty country, faculty department, department type, faculty department number. Now if you look at this table clearly, means if you take a screenshot and analyze it, then you will find that here faculty ID is implying country, means 1 belongs to China, 3 belongs to India. This exists. This dependency exists. Then faculty department, this part is implying IT department. Suppose I am talking about the IT department. Then for these two parts are involved. This is type and this is number. So faculty department is implying department type and faculty department number. Okay, so this functional dependency also exists. Now we cannot say that this is in BCNF. Why? Because neither faculty ID, neither the faculty department, they can, this is the faculty ID, so this they can alone become the keys. Okay, so they cannot alone become the keys, so they together form the key. Okay, so we cannot say that this is in B, C and F. Got it? Means this part is not satisfied. Suppose X implies Y and X should be the super key, so this is not implying, because see, faculty ID and faculty department, they alone cannot be the key. So this is means clearly indicating that this is not the super key, so this property is not satisfied. So this table is not in BCNF. Now to make it BCNF, again we have to break the table. Now in this case we are going to break the table into 3 parts, and they are faculty country table, okay, faculty country table, and another is faculty department table, and another is faculty department mapping table. In the first case, as you have seen that for one ID means one faculty may belong to one country, that is obvious. So for one faculty ID is belonging to China, then 3 belonging to India. So this table is clear to you, and faculty ID is the key here. Super key is the faculty ID, okay, for this table. Then faculty department table. In this case, IT D45, they are implying 32. Means what I mean to say that this faculty department is implying department type and faculty department number. So this table is also clear to you. Now the mapping says that faculty ID, because this means department type, we are talking about the department type, and another is faculty. So every faculty belongs to particular department. Okay, if he or she belongs to one department, so department has some characteristics like what? Department type, department number. So we need to form another table out of that. Okay, so that is faculty ID, faculty department and faculty department number. And there also you will get the candidate key as faculty ID as well as faculty department, because this together implying this part. Clear? In this case, faculty department is the key here. Yes, faculty department. If IT, then department type is D45, like that. So but in this case together they are forming the super key. Okay, so we got that for the first table, candidate key is the faculty ID, second table faculty department, the third table combination of them, and each case, okay, in every table what is happening? This part is satisfied. This part means this. Okay, means if any functional dependency exists, then that part, that left hand side part itself is the super key. So I can say that this Boyce BCNF condition is fully satisfied for these 3 tables. So now we come to the conclusion that the given table has been now changed to converted into BCNF by breaking it into 3 different tables. So guys, I hope this is clear to you. Now I am going to check your concentration regarding this class. So that's why I am going to ask you one question. Okay, so today's question is, let me write the question. Say true or false. Say true or false. And question is, BCNF is less, or I can say that less, no, I am writing is not stricter than 3 and F. So you need to consider this statement that BCNF is not stricter than 3NF, whether this is true or false, and you are going to comment your answer. Okay, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If any doubt like this, then do ask me to comment. I'll respond it, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.